So today is going. I'm just now getting home from Kroger, and as you can see, may have went a little overboard, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
You can slip right through the cookie.
Yeah. So today is going. It's going okay. My apartment this morning, I didn't have no hot water, so that kind of delayed my start. And like all last night, I feel like I had bad dreams, but that's neither here nor there. So I had to go to the UPS store this morning to drop off my old phone, like trade in for this new phone that I have. And then I had to go to drop off some donations to Goodwill and to the shelter. And now your girl's about to go to this gym. So I would rather be a little bit more private this time around. Like I feel like I'm gonna post it on my channel, but like not more so like Instagram or like other spaces. I really don't want to like, I'm not trying to show anyone how to work out. I'm not trying to like, I don't know, I'm not ready for that stage of vulnerability with like working out, going to the gym. I've lost about 27 pounds so far. I don't necessarily know if I have a goal other than being healthy. Like I feel like a lot of people ask me like, what weight do you want to be? What physical attributes are you trying to achieve? I think that I just want to be healthy, and I feel like I've been doing a great job of working on that goal for the past, like, I want to say 3 months strong. Like before the holidays, I was going to the gym maybe 5-6 days a week. I feel like now it's slowed to about like 3 or 4 days. 3 days, but it's okay. I'm gonna work on it. I tend to work out better, like, I don't want to say what times because people know where I work out. People are crazy, so never mind. But yeah, I'll update you guys later on how my days go. Y'all, just finished my workout. I'm finna head to Kroger. I need some makeup remover wipes, and I have no idea what I'm gonna cook this weekend, but I think I'm gonna pick up some chicken, some steak, and some vegetables, and maybe some more rice. We'll see. Guys, I'm just now getting home from Kroger, and as you can see, may have went a little overboard, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So I am about to fix me a salad for right now. Go ahead and cut up like my onion and my carrots and my beef, because I think I'm gonna put a roast in a crock pot and make some mashed potatoes later so I can have that for dinner. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. My salad's just gonna be probably, I have like the power spinach mix, so with arugula. I couldn't find no freaking, y'all, broccoli sprouts are like my favorite thing for some reason with spinach, but I only could get spinach and arugula today with a little bit of something else in there, I don't know. But okay, I got my roast going. I only made a little bit because it's just me. My carrots in it. I'm actually gonna make mashed potatoes with it, and I have some macaroni left over from New Year's, so that's what I'm gonna eat with it. I got these soaking right now. I'm gonna eat this salad. I've been thinking about this salad all freaking day, like.
It's like you can slip right through the cookie.
Yeah. She's about to be devoured. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to sit in here and watch Miss Virgin River, and that's just my business.
So, what's up?
What's up? Is it our con when we're going to wedding?
It's not con. Okay, it's just a woman who was committing a con.
Oh, but wait, there's some
She
situation.
made a mistake. Okay? Hold on. I didn't say that to hurt you. I didn't. Just leave it like this. It's not about me. Okay, it's not me. Try and get a fresh start. Try and move on. Like you did with mine. So I think it's like,
You know, the one who snatches you and challenges you, who brings out the best in you.
my words. Careless. She knew.
Yes, she did. Yeah, that was your idea. I never again. Never again.
So, dinner. I'm gonna eat my food, and I think I might just retire for the evening. Bye. See you guys later.